Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find channels on Telegram. You'll find Telegram channels for anything and everything, from news organizations to sports updates to books and movies. While you can search for a keyword directly in Telegram, there's a better way to find Telegram channels, and that's by using organized online repositories. If you know the name of the Telegram channels that you want to join, you can do so directly from the Telegram app. The process is slightly different for the iPhone and Android app. On your Android, open the Telegram app and tap the search button from the top right corner. Now, type in the name of the Telegram channel that you want to join and select it from the search results. I will type on Bloomberg. This will open the Telegram channel. You can browse around to see the latest updates, and when you're ready to join the channel, just tap the join button. You are now subscribed to the channel. You'll find the channel in the chats tab along with all your other conversations. When a channel shares an update, you'll be notified about it. Here, tap the three-dot menu icon from the top right corner, and you want to leave the channel, tap Leave Channel Options. From the pop-up message, tap the Leave Channel option to confirm. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.